Alright, on my LS3 I got a Misfire code P0300 P0202. They gave the service traction control light on. It was giving a rough idle, very rough idle right when I started. The check engine light, my bad. Start blinking already, and it would just throw a P0300 P0202 code. I would think it would be the ECM and all that. I checked everything. I just did the troubleshooting. I changed the spark plugs, the wires. I didn't change these, but the reason why I didn't is because I checked each injector itself with the multimeter. Each gave the correct resistance, except 2 and 5 right here. They gave no resistance, 0. So I'm changing a few injectors. I got AC Delco. Make sure you go AC Delco. And it's in, you know, hey, I'm gonna start it right back up, and I'll get back to you guys right now and see how it goes. So yeah, just all base model. I got just headers, X pipe. That's it. Now I cleaned all of these inside. They're very dirty. Don't worry. I made sure nothing obviously fell inside. Used a bunch of Q-tips. You know, one and done. Put one in there, so I take it out. Obviously common sense not to have anything fall in here, as hard as it might be, but get a gill. Now I'm ready to put this fuel injectors, and we're gonna see how I'll start to clear the codes, and that's it.
You want some water, buddy?
Sheesh! That's it.